Hey there, I'm Mr. Bahork, and more about polynomials. This is still binomials times binomials, except today we're going to be doing the box method. So this is an alternative to FOIL method. You don't have to do FOIL method, although I personally prefer FOIL method just because it's really quick. But if you are a person that tends to have trouble with negatives or writing your work neatly, I recommend the box method. Okay, it's good to know both, but the box method does help some students that have trouble with multiplying the negatives or leaving out a negative or just simply not writing very neat work and then getting themselves confused because their work isn't organized. So this is where the box method can help you. Let's say I'm doing x plus 3 times x minus 2. Right. Notice I've drawn the box here. Okay, it's a 2 by 2 box, okay, and I put the terms or the binomials on the outside of the box. So here's my x minus 2, and here's my x and 3. Each monomial gets its own like little row and column. Then it's almost like Battleship from here. You simply multiply row by column. So x times x is x squared. X times negative 2 is negative 2x. X times 3 is 3x. And 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Okay, this gives you all the terms that you're going to be either combining to get your final answer. So notice when I write it all out, long ways, I have x squared minus 2x plus 3x minus 6. So I combine the like terms, and I finally end up with x squared plus x minus 6. And that's my answer. Okay, where this really helps is for binomials that are crazy long. So take a look at this thing. We have negative 2x minus 3 times 5x squared plus 7. Okay, two not so easy binomials, but the box method can help us here. So here's my 5x squared and my 7 from this binomial. Here's my negative 2x and negative 3 from this binomial. When I multiply, just like Battleship, okay, 5x squared times negative 2x is negative 10x to the third. Remember to add the exponents. Negative 2x times 7 is negative 14x. Negative 3 times 5x squared, negative 15x squared. Negative 3 times 7 is negative 21. Now if you notice when I write this out long ways, this cannot be simplified. There's no like terms in this. So that's our answer. That huge long thing is our answer. And notice it's also in standard form. Degree of 3, degree of 2, degree of 1, degree of 0. So it goes from greatest to least order. All right, I'm Mr. Bahork, and that was multiplying binomials times binomials using the box method.